Welcome to Sewing Anastasia, and today it's all about contour darts. We're going to talk about what a contour dart is, how to sew it, how to create it, and what it's used for. Just real quick before we start, if you're enjoying Sewing Anastasia, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. And if you want to learn more about sewing, make sure you check out my online and in-person classes, plus the Sewing Club. There's links down below. Now let's get back to contour darting. So what is a contour dart? A contour dart is a dart that follows the shape of your body. So it's going to create more of a fitted look in a garment versus a regular dart because it follows your contours. Now let's take a look at a regular dart, which is creating shape. A dart is an intake of fabric to create shape, but it's not contouring to the exact shape of the body. So you can see here we have a dart. It's taking in the fabric to create shape here. And you're also going to notice that we've got extra fabric. So if I pinch this right next to the body, there's actually extra fabric in here that we can take in to shape it tight to the body and under the bust, contouring this dart. But instead, right now, we just have a straight line because this is a regular dart. So if we had a contour dart there instead, it would be hugging the shape of the body, giving you a perfect outline of the body. So let me show you how to create one. I'm going to be creating a contour dart right outside of this regular dart, so that way you can really see the difference in shape from the regular dart to the contour dart. But you don't need to start out with a regular dart. You can really create one of these anywhere you want to contour and take in fabric to the body. So what I'm going to do is pinch the fabric so it's nice and flat to the body. We're essentially draping a contour dart. That's what we're doing here. And we're putting the pins where we would want our new sewing line to be. And we want that sewing line for the contour dart to be right next to the body. So you can see how we're starting to take it in more. And when we get to the underbust, you can really see how it's starting to go from nothing and then it's coming in, taking more and more, and now it's gonna come out. I think I can get one more pin in there for the underbust. So you can see here where I have the pins that we're gonna be taking in the dart more, and it's creating this curved shape under the bust here. Now we'll take it off the dress form, we'll chalk where the pins are, we'll sew it up so you can see the difference between the regular and the contoured. Now we're going to create the sewing line for our dart from the pins. So I'm going to mark on this side right where the pin is, and then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm also going to mark on this side. And now that I have those pins marked, I can remove them. So now you can see that the pins are out here beyond this line, but we need to blend back into the bottom of the dart and the tip of the dart. So I'm going to take my French curve and I'm going to blend from the bottom of the dart to that last pin mark I had. And I'm going to do the same thing up here at the tip. Okay, and now I'm going to connect the lines in between using my French curve because there is a slight curve here. There we go. And so we can see that all of this extra space from the original regular dart to my new blue line is going to be taken in. And this shape here is the contour, the shape of the body. So now you can really see how the shape of the dart is changing. It went from a straight line to a line that's bowing out, which is creating even more shape in the dart. And this is called a contoured dart. So let's go sew up our new contour dart and check it out on the dress form. Okay, so now we're gonna follow that new blue chalk line that I drew for our contoured dart. And as you can see, this contour dart is creating more shape. You can even see how the bust in the fabric is popping up more. So this dart leg here is not straight, it has a curve to it. Let's check it out on the dress form. So now you can really see how this dart is shaping to the body. So here we have a contoured dart. It has taken in the excess fabric from that straight dart leg all the way to the body. It's fitting the contours perfectly. Let's take a look at our regular dart and our contoured dart. Our regular dart over here has that extra space in it beyond the dart leg, and our contour dart over here does not. So you might be wondering, when am I going to use a contour dart? Well, a contour dart is great for any evening wear or fitted bodices. Think a corset. A corset is all contour. So anytime you want something nice and fitted on the top, you're going to want to use contour darts. It's going to give you that perfect shape next to your body. And after seeing this video, if you have a pattern that has a regular dart, you can now turn it into a contour dart to get some more shape and fit out of your garment. Pretty cool, huh? Thanks so much for watching Sewing Anastasia today. If you have any questions about contour darts, leave it down below and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. And let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see about sewing and fashion. And if you enjoyed the video today, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. These videos are for you guys. And don't forget, I teach classes here in my design studio in Chicago and online, and we have an awesome online sewing club. So check all those things out through the links down below. And if you want to know what's going on in the studio today, well, just check out my Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!